Hello and welcome to a very special birthday edition of A Week in My Life in London. If you're new, hello, I'm Emily. I'm an American living in London, currently in the process of finding a job, but this week I'm taking a step back from that to celebrate my birthday. I am one of those annoying people that celebrates all week. I don't make other people celebrate all week, but personally I kind of like treat myself a little more, do a little bit more fun things during my birthday week. So let's get that started. All right, we're on our way to birthday brunch at Duck and Waffle. Up we go. My ears are popping. This is so cool. The reason I chose Duck and Waffle is because I actually saw it on someone's vlog that I watched before moving here and it looked really cool, so I was really excited to try it. I'd give the views like a 9 out of 10 and the food like a 7 out of 10. It was really good, but not amazing. Brunch was great, and now we're headed to Spitalfields Market, just walking through the city. You want to show your sunglasses to the vlog?
Yes. There. Put away for safety, okay?
Cute.
Cute. 10 pounds, right? Love it. They're raspberry white chocolate. Yeah. Thank you. They're really good. They do look good.
And then we headed over to Shoreditch and we ended up at Box Park, which I'd never been to, and I was very enamored by the fairy lights on the ceiling.
Hello everyone, welcome to Emily Meadows' channel. Like and subscribe. We're currently in Shoreditch. We're amateur YouTubers. We're still trying to learn the ropes.
We just got bagels from Brick Lane Bagel. It's kind of becoming a tradition now that a couple days before my birthday I take myself out and just do like all of my favorite things in London, including see a play. Last year I vlogged this, so I will link that below if you want to see the birthday tradition where it started. But last year I went to see Cyrano de Bergerac with James McAvoy, and it was just the best night. I went to Leon for dinner, I got a bobble waffle in Chinatown, and then I went to go see this play, and I just had the best day. So today I'm gonna kind of hit all the highlights from last year and add a few new things and just have overall just a very me day. I am in Chelsea now purely just for the vibes because I like it here, and I'm just gonna walk around a bit, and I'm kind of thirsty, so I might pop into a cafe for a beverage and I'll show you around. I always find the tops of these trees kind of funny in the winter. I love this street. I'm not sure the name of it, I'll put it on the screen, but so many colorful houses. It's so cute. After wandering the streets of Chelsea for a while, I ended up at Partridge's in the Duke of York Square, and they have the largest selection of American food that I have seen since moving to London, with the exception of the American candy stores, which we won't talk about. And I exercised a little bit of self-control and only bought a Nerds rope. I'm zooming. Not what I want to do. Okay, I'm just leaving Chelsea now, and I'm walking up to Knightsbridge so I can catch the tube over to Covent Garden because I have an appointment to get my ear pierced at Astor de Meaux. I've been talking about getting my helix pierced forever, and so for my birthday, Rachel and Sarah got me a gift card to Astor de Meaux, so I'm headed there now to get it done. It's done. Let me know what you think, only if it's positive though. Okay, so now I'm gonna recreate last birthday, and I'm gonna eat at Leon and then get a bubble waffle from Chinatown. Bubble waffle, here I come. I got it. I'm seeing the play Lemons, 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 Lemons. And Aidan Turner is in it. I'm forgetting the woman's name, I'll put her on the screen. But I'm really excited about it. The understudy was on for Jenna Coleman, but she was really good, so I didn't feel like I missed out on anything. And I did have a restricted view seat, but I could see all of the action on the stage, just not like the far left. The play was really good. I feel like it's one of those that I'm gonna have to think about for a while. I always like that. Now, just walking through Trafalgar Square, and I'm gonna catch a bus home. Change of plans. There's no bus, so I gotta go get the tube. All right, the fun just doesn't stop this week. Sarah and I are headed to Little Venice for a walking tour.
Cheers.
See you there. It's a beautiful day. I'm excited.
Firefighters who have died on service on active service.
That's the one we've chosen. Sarah, how was flat hunting?
It was really great. I think we've got some really good options. I mean, I would sell my kidney to live in just about any one of the places that we passed today.
After our tour, we tried to go to the cafe at Clifton Nurseries, but unfortunately they were closed. So we ended up going to the Prince Alfred pub, and it was delicious. Very cute inside. And they also had what I understand to be like a class screen. So this room back here that I'm about to show you is where I believe the less wealthy people had to sit in the old days. Also, don't be alarmed, there's a person in there. That scared me when I was filming.
It's my birthday. So today I just want to have like a very chill day. Tonight we're going to a pub quiz and doing a takeaway, but other than that, I just want to have like a very relaxed day. I feel like I was actually thinking about this because I feel like there's a lot of pressure that I put on myself to make my birthday like so amazing, and that kind of stressed me out. So the past couple years I've been doing like a birth week, so by the time it gets to my birthday I've like done everything I wanted to do and I've had a great week, and this is just like the icing on the cake. So yeah, today I'm gonna do like kind of my normal everyday routine, but I'm gonna just elevate it a little bit. I'm gonna go buy a coffee instead of getting a Pret, and then go on a walk to a park that's a little bit further away from me, but that I like a lot. And then Rachel actually has a half day today, so she'll be home early and we might watch a movie and then get a takeaway, then do the pub quiz, and it just sounds like a great day.
So Black Sheep Coffee just opened up a new location in Wandsworth, so I walked over there to try it out. And you guys know I'm a Pret girl, but Black Sheep Coffee is delicious. I also bought myself a pastry and I walked it over to the park where I sat on a bench and enjoyed it and just had a lovely morning.
Okay, I'm FaceTiming my parents and I'm gonna open my hold on. Okay, I'm gonna open my box for my parents. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh. That is so many.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, love you very much.
Oh, Gracie's there.
Hi, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
And then my flatmates and I watched About Time, which is the best movie. And they also bought me a Colin the Caterpillar cake, which they did last year as well, and I really appreciate it.
We're heading to the pub quiz. Gotta turn the light off. We're trying to think of a team name.
We've got nothing. Nothing good. We've got bad ones, but nothing good.
Film villains and antagonists then. So, Annie Wilkes was from the movie.
Also, Sky's here. We are in dead last at the moment. We have one more round to go. 2 more rounds to go. Well, as a shock to absolutely no one, we lost trivia. And that's it for the birthday celebration. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it, because that really helps the channel grow. And I can't wait to celebrate with you guys next year. And stay tuned for the next vid.